Today we will see about reverse of any of the string or number. Then we will see about palindrome. Okay. So first let me create a class. Like I'm just creating a wave palindrome. Okay. Taking main method. Let's take it and just remove this. Okay. And I'm taking one number. First I'm taking with the integral value. This with the number I can say num. I'm taking num equal to 1, 1, 2, num equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if I'm taking. And inside this, I need to take one ref also. Like I wanted to store the value for the reversing, I can say 0. Okay. And that's one no issue. Let's come here. Let's write. We have already discussed about while loop. So before going this, just understand what is how what we are going to do here. So basically, if it is if I am passing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it should print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I am just taking num is greater than 0. If num is greater than 0, then what it should do? It should do num equal to num modulo 10. If I do like this, okay, we will reinitialize this variable here. If we will do like this, so we will take one another variable that is called num1. Okay, so inside num1, I'll store this value. So the value will come 5 here because it gives reminder whatever it is, the last value it will return here. Then after what we will do rev equal to rev into 10 plus I can say num1 like this, and num equal to I will say num or divide by 10, num equal to num divide by 10. I'll write like this. So what it will return? It will return 1, 2, 3, 4. This all it will return here. Okay, so whatever the question value it will return here. Now I need to print it. Okay. So this time it will come here and one it will check num is reinitialized with 1, 2, 3, 4. It will check 1, 2, 3, 4 is greater than 0. Yes. It will come here and it will now this time 5 will be replaced with 4, and here what it will happen like first time it will 5 means 0 into 10, 0 into 10 plus 5 means 5. Then after second time it will come 5 into 10 equal to 50 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 54. So this will work like this. Okay, so and accordingly it will work. Let's print this out. I'm just trying to print um, num1 rev I'm going to print. Okay, rev I'm going to print here whatever the reverse value here. I'm going to see it is printing 54321, 54321. It is printing whatever the value we will give, it will just reverse the value. Okay, if I wanted to check the number is palindrome or not, so how we will check for this? So simply we will write inside if condition we will give ref equal double equal I can say num. Okay, or num double equal ref I can say like this. And as far as OUTC out, if I'll take like this, and if I'm going to print, if this is same, it should print palindrome. Else we can take for a single statement curly brace is not required. As far as OUTC out, I am taking control and a space bar, then it will give the system.out.println not palindrome. Okay, that's fine. So if I'll try to print like this, so let's take the number. I'm just changing the number here. 14341. I'm taking like this. So it should give palindrome, right? Oh, it is giving not palindrome. Okay, we'll see this. So before this, we will do like 1434. It should give not palindrome. So it is not equal. So basically, double equal operator is for reference comparison or address comparison, we can say. Okay. So it is just stored somewhere else. Num is just stored somewhere else, and we are just comparing like the address comparison or reference comparison. I can say both are same or not. So basically, it will work like this. So double equal operator is for reference comparison or address comparison, we can say. But the thing is, okay, so 1434 definitely it's not a palindrome, so it is giving right. Okay, if I'm taking 341 and it should print palindrome, but it is printing not palindrome. Okay, why it is printing like this? Why? Because see, we are here. Okay, so let's try to print this now. This is out. See, if I try to print here num, okay, I am just writing like this plus num value. Okay. If I print num, so because we are reinitializing the value of the num here, and it became 0. Okay. So if we try to print this, see it is saying num equal to 0. Okay. So that's why it is giving. So that's why it is checking 0 like whatever it is 14341 double equal 0. No, it is not equal 0. So that's why it is giving palindrome. Why? Because we are reinitializing the value here. Because of this, it is giving us not palindrome. Okay. So for this, we can do one more line. I need to write like this. In num1, I can say num1 equal to num I'll take like this. If I'll take like this, num1 we have already taken, so num2 I'm giving. If I do like this, so and if I will try to print num2, so num2 value is same, and if I'll write here num2, now it will print palindrome. Okay, see, it is saying num is this is palindrome, and it is palindrome. Okay, one more I am taking any of the variable or any of the number I am taking. This time it will print not palindrome. See, it is working fine. Right. So this was for the, I can say, reverse and palindrome for the number. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll write one another program for related to the string. Okay. Let me commit this. So this time we will take a string value. Okay. So basically, if I'll print like MADAM, if I'm taking like this, so if I'll take like this, so it should print MADAM for the palindrome. I can say like this, palin, palindrome. If you want to take a small case also, so you can put dot equal ignore case. Okay, we will see that also. Don't worry. And for reverse any of the string, if I'm taking rishi, okay, and for reverse I H S I R. So this is nothing but we are just simply reversing. So this is also reversing palindrome as well as I can say reverse, REVER reverse, and this is also for REVER reverse. Okay, so let's take this. Let's try to make a program for this. So I'll take a string str equal to, I'm just taking here any of the value, I'm taking VC. Okay, and I'll try to run one for loop. I'll try to run with the help of for loop. We will write like this. So I will take int I equal to str dot length. I'm taking here I is means 5 is greater than 0 whatever it is, and I minus minus. If I take like this, and let's try to one another variable I need to take for this to store the reverse. So I'm taking str rev, and I need to reinitialize this because I'm going to use this variable here. So what I'll do here is str ref, I can say this equal to str ref whatever it is plus str dot caret one method caret of I whatever it is. So it will store here, and we will try to print space OUT control and a space bar, and we need to print str ref. I need to print this. Okay. So basically, if I run like this, so basically, see the length of this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is coming here 5. So 5 is greater than 0. Yes, true. It will come here, and it will come here, and it will check for the fifth of the element. Means whatever it is, it's nothing we have taken inside this string, I can say. So it will keep like this plus whatever the fifth element, it will do like this, and the last index caret of I means this caret of I str dot caret of I whatever it is the index value, it will check and it will work like this. But it should work, but it will not work. Why? Because I'll show you. This program will give error, runtime error. See, it is saying that a string index out of bound exception. Okay, why? Because see, the indexing is working from the 0 onwards, but here it is counting the length is 5, means from it is starting from 1, but we are checking from the first element itself. So in this, what we need to do is to fix this, we need to decrease this one length of 1, means that it will run till 4. Okay, and the indexing is starting from first means 1, so we need to write like this equal to. Okay, if we will not write, if we will write like this, again it will give error. See, error in the sense it is giving, it is not printing the last index value. Okay, so it is leaving that value. Okay, so we need to use equal here, and if I'll try to print like this, see, it is printing like this. Okay, and if I wanted to check for the palindrome for this one, so how do we check? If if I'll take like whatever it is str of str, I can take whatever it is str wave I'm taking. Dot equals is a method. Dot equals is a method. Okay, and it will check with the, see, the double equal operator and dot equal, double equal operator is basically for reference comparison or address comparison, but dot equals method is for content comparison, we can say. Okay, in a single line answer. Okay, so if we will try to print this, if it is like this, sys out, and if it will match, then print palindrome, otherwise in else sys out not palindrome, not palindrome. So definitely it's a not a palindrome, so it will print not palindrome. See, it is printing not palindrome. Okay, so let's take another example. I am taking here madam, M-A-D-A-M, madam. I am taking here. Okay, inside this madam, I'll just try to print this. It will give not palindrome. But if I'll take, because see, this one is the caps letter, so that's why it is not giving. If I'm taking a small letter, now this time it will check and it will say that okay, this is palindrome. Okay. So to overcome this, we can use, if someone is written like this, so we can use dot equal ignore case. Okay, dot equal ignore case. We can write like this, and if we will use this method, it will print palindrome. Okay, because it's a palindrome, so that's why it is given palindrome. So this is how we can do reverse and palindrome for this. Thank you so much.